Hello and welcome to the One Thing series. I'm Julia Rock, your resident career coach, as well as the owner of Rock Career Development. Now, the One Thing series is where we're going to focus on just one thing, one tip in each video. There's so many career tips that you can consume, and the videos can get long or the articles can get long. And so we thought, why don't we just focus on one thing at a time? No bullet points, no different slides, just one thing in each video. You ready? Let's go. So today, our one thing is going to focus on cover letters and the one thing you should not do in your cover letter. And the one thing you should not do in your cover letter is start with, I am writing to express my interest in. I know that a lot of the online templates give you that as a format to say, dear hiring manager, or dear sir or madam, I'm writing to express my interest. That's a big no-no. The fact is, they know why you're writing. They know that you want a job. They know that you're applying for the job. That opening line, that opening paragraph is where you're going to hook the person's interest. You're going to hook the recruiter or the hiring manager's interest. So it's important for you to start with something that will grab their attention. Perhaps it's an accomplishment that you've had in your industry that brought you to this position. It's a passion that you've had throughout your whole life that has brought you to this position. Perhaps it's a change in your life events that has brought you to this position. Whatever it is that you have that can grab the attention of the reader, that's what you put in your paragraph. So don't waste time taking up space with I'm writing to express my interest in. They know why you're applying, and so do you. So focus on that one paragraph and that first opening sentence on a method to hook your reader. That's our tip for today. That's our one thing, and we'll see you again in the next video.